Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you use a Coros watch for running, you can connect it with Runna to sync your workouts, follow structured sessions, and keep all your training data in one place. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to use Runna with Coros in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, what using Runna with Coros means. So connecting Runna with Coros allows you to send workouts to your watch, track runs directly from the device, sync completed sessions back to Runna, monitor long-term progress. So your Coros watch becomes your main training device, okay? So first thing first, of course, install the required apps. So open the App Store or Google Play, install Runna and install Coros. Log into both accounts. Use the correct accounts for syncing, okay? After that, connect Runna to Coros. So open the Runna app, go to Settings, tap Connected Apps, select Coros, it should be here. Log into your Coros accounts and then allow all permissions. So this enables automatic syncing, okay? After that, again, open the Runna app, make sure your training plan is active, okay? Wait for the workouts to sync to Coros. Sync may take a few minutes, okay? Open the Coros app again, pull down to sync your watch, wait for the sync to finish. Workouts will appear on the watch after syncing, okay? Open the run mode on your watch, go to training or workout, select today's Runna workouts and press start. So the watch will guide you through the session, okay? So that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.